I think I've decided it's time to replace the shocks on this, so I just wanted to make a real quick video to kind of make a before to see what the shocks are like right now. It's, you know, certainly drivable, but this is, I'm getting a little bit of bouncing, so I'm going to set this down. Okay. Push down. Let it up. Push down. And let it up. It wants to roll forward more than it wants to bounce up and down. But seems like it's more on this side than it is on the other side. Maybe it's on both sides. In any case, that's what it looks like from there. But here's the real thing that I don't like, and I'm really hoping that new shocks are going to get rid of this. That's a real pain because the truck definitely can get to rocking when you're driving down the road. It'll just, if you have to swerve just a little bit, or even steering sometimes just causes it to rock like that. I don't know what you're going to be able to see from here. Maybe if I put it here. Trying to find a good angle for this camera is tricky. Okay, so watch the front. I'll do the same thing on the front. On this side, see, as I'm doing it, it wants to go side to side more than anything. Do another body roll here. Mileage on the truck says 103,000, so that's just at the edge of where it should start to be worn out for shocks, depending on what it had on it in the first place, I guess. So I've ordered some shocks, and those should be coming in. And we'll get those changed out, and then we'll make an after video and see how much better it is.